This is not electricity, it's a lightning bolt. What's the difference? Well, lightning bolt is just the effect of electricity. Electricity itself is invisible. It's like saying when wind makes a kite fly, you can call the flying kite the wind. I can't draw something invisible, so I'll still use this to represent electricity. There are two types of electricity: dynamic electricity or just electricity, and static electricity. In dynamic electricity, electrons flow in one direction, whereas in static electricity, electrons hang around in one place. Dynamic electricity can be used to do things like make a light bulb glow. Static electricity can be used to do things like pick up bits of paper with the help of a plastic ruler. You can try this by rubbing a plastic ruler on your head and then bringing it near bits of paper. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. As always, this is EME. Thank you for viewing.